Hello everybody! You're probably wondering what this beautiful laundry basket looks like fully assembled. So let's take a quick look at this. First of all, on a hardwood floor, it's very quiet, it doesn't squeak. Oh, that's very nice. And if in fact you didn't want it to be pushed around by, let's say, children, for example, there is a locking mode right down there. And it just kind of locks it somewhat in place. Nice. But the coolest feature of this, of course, is the ability for this basket to come completely out. So let's say you wanted to take this up and downstairs, you could easily do so by lifting it straight out of the wheelie portion. And of course it does have this cloth liner which has been washed multiple times, so if you use this for dirty clothes, you can easily just pull that out, throw it right back in along with the rest of your dirty laundry. So very high quality. It makes a lot of sense, especially when you have a stacked washer and dryer like this. Look at that, the perfect height, it just goes right into there. So there you go, a real world close-up demonstration of this laundry basket, or whatever you choose to use it for, it's your choice.